Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Lacto Fit is a daily probiotic supplement designed to support normal digestion and gut microbial balance. It combines multiple lactobacillus strains with probiotic fiber to feed beneficial bacteria. Each capsule contains 10 billion CFU and probiotic fiber to help sustain colony growth and short-chain fatty acid production. Take one capsule daily with food, preferably at breakfast, so the probiotic enters an active digestive phase. Start with 2 weeks to assess tolerance, continue for 3 months for maintenance, then evaluate benefits and adjust with your healthcare provider. For reliable results, swallow one capsule with 200-250 ml of water and do not crush or chew the tablet. The capsule is formulated to protect organisms through stomach acid. Store capsules in a cool, dry place below 25 degrees C away from sunlight, and keep the container tightly closed to prevent moisture exposure that can reduce viability. Avoid taking with hot beverages above 60 degrees C or with alcohol, and do not mix the powder into foods hotter than body temperature, since heat and ethanol can kill probiotic organisms. When starting Lacto Fit, many users report mild bloating or gas for 3-7 days as gut flora adjusts. This is typically transient and indicates colonies are establishing. If you experience severe abdominal pain or fever, stop and seek medical help because those signs may indicate intolerance or infection. Consult your physician before using if pregnant, breastfeeding, or immunocompromised, and disclose current medications, including antibiotics and immunosuppressants. If you are prescribed antibiotics, space doses by at least 2 hours or pause probiotics during the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.